Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at Joda or Jod.io. This is a new token who will be released on 25 July. So you can see here 9 days still to go. But what is this coin and what they are offering for us? We have here an ecosystem for Jod.io token universe, an NFT farming auction marketplace launchpad, and more. Limited issue 1.5% of all transactions are burned. So that means the tokens will be limited. And how much limited you will see soon. Futures community build. Jod.io will burn 1.5 from each transaction to stimulate price go up. That's always nice. LP grinder, 2% of every trade contributes towards automatically generating further liquidity for Jod.io community. Frictionless yield, 2% of every transaction is redistributed to all Jod.io holds. That means you can earn passive income simply by holding the tokens in your wallet. Tokenomics. The total supply of the tokens are just a 1 billion. So that's not that trillion or quadrillion you can see on the market outside. It's just a 1 billion, and that's enough, you know. We have also a better price finding on this token than this many letters behind, many zeros, 0.0000, and then never ending. You don't know. It's not even come to 1 cent, you know. So liquidity, we have 800 millions. Marketing, they use 15%, and the team 5%. So this is a nice thing. They keep it simple. We understand what they're doing with the money and or with the tokens, and that's fair. We have a roadmap. Creation token and website. Yes, listing on Pancakeswap. For sure it will. 25 July. They have marketing plan, NFT, drop, a secret launch. They want to surprise the community. Full version website, etc. Okay, you can look also. But here, nice, a team, faces behind the project. And this is something rare on the crypto scene. You can see 90% outside don't have any faces. They don't show their faces. And then, after all, maybe it's a scam or whatever, but here people show their face. That means they want to do here something. They want to move something, you know. A white paper they also have. Take a look. We will not look now, but maybe you can do it by yourself. And on Twitter they are already with the 1100 followers. Some kind of interactions, a little bit. And for sure they are on Telegram. And here you can see more. 4 days after the announcement, the cryptocurrency community has grown to 4,500 people only on Telegram. Participants believe that this is super off over meme currency is only a matter of time. We have here tokenomics, pancake listing soon. But the most important is we have here also a face. And this is Mark. This is the founder. And he showed himself, and I'm sure he will show himself soon more and more. Mark, I hope you stay in touch with your community and There's will be nothing wrong if you stay with them in touch. People like to stay in touch with the CEOs, with the founder of an idea, so they can trust them and finally invest into that project. And they also hope that the tokens go up, right? No one wants to invest their money and then you can put it into toilet, right? Many of these projects went into toilet, but I think we have here faces. We have here a guy who is not afraid to show his face and of his team, and I'm sure we will see more from you guys in the future. And if you like my community, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. What do you think? Is this a hit or a shitcoin? I think it will be a hit. Definitely on 25 July. There's the sale. Go on Pancakeswap. Give it a chance. We have just a 1 billion of token, so they will be limited. And I say, may the might will be with you, right? May the might be with you. See you next time. Bye.